I'm gonna show you how much a Tesla Model 3 costs and how to buy one. So first you're gonna go to tesla.com and then click right here, Model 3. And here you have a few information of what the car is and what it does. So but we're talking about the price today, so we're gonna go into this button here that says order now. And once we're here, first thing I want you to do is change this include potential savings, change it to purchase price so you can see what the car actually costs. And as we can see here, the lowest price for a Tesla Model 3 is $37,990, but stick to the end of the video, guys, because I'm gonna show you how to get a pretty good discount in this price. Okay, but let's say that we're gonna buy this car. So then we hit next, and here you can choose from 5 different colors. The color white is gonna be free, but if you choose any other color, it's gonna add $1,000. But if you choose red, it's gonna be $2,000. I would recommend, if you don't really care for the price, just leave it at white, and you can always get a grab once you get the car. But a little trade-off is that all the information inside the car, all the widgets and all that in the touchscreen, the little avatar for the car is gonna be the color from the factory, and there is no way to go around that. So I say, if you wanna grab your car, select a white. Another choice you have is the wheels. If you see the picture right here, it looks way better with the other wheels, but they are 1,500 upgrade. I would say keep it with the included one, and you can remove those caps, and it looks actually pretty good without the covers. Next, and here you can choose your interior. As you can see, the black is included, and if you choose white, it's gonna be $1,000. I really like the white, so if you like the white as well, but you are not sure about the $1,000, I would say to get it, because it actually looks pretty good. But let's go with black right now and hit next. So this autopilot is included, so your car is gonna have the ability to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically for all the vehicles and pedestrians. But the full self-driving capability is gonna cost you $10,000. As of yesterday, it was only $8,000, so that's a price that has been going up the last few months as the Tesla software gets better and better. So if you're not sure about that one as well, I would say go ahead and get it, because you never know if the price is gonna be too high in the future, and they're not gonna offer it to you for $10,000 anymore. Let's hit next and see the lowest price Tesla Model 3 that we could get. Let's say you fill out the information here. So this is gonna be the price before taxes and fees, but if you wanna get a $35,000 Model 3, what you should do is, after you place your order, you're gonna call Tesla and let them know that you want the Tesla Model 3 standard range instead of the Tesla Model 3 standard range plus. What is gonna happen is that you're gonna get the exact same car, but it is gonna be software limited to have less range than standard plus. The standard range is like 40 to 50 miles less per charge than the standard range plus. So instead of the 263 miles per charge, you're gonna get a car of 223 miles per charge. With the long range, you're gonna get a bigger battery and a slightly better interior. As you can see, the miles per charge went up almost 100 miles. As a Tesla owner myself, I would recommend to get the highest battery that your money can buy, and do not care that much about performance. Like, for example, this one is more expensive, but as you can see, has a lower mileage per charge than the long range. So I would recommend to get the long range instead of the performance. Even though the performance is faster, the long range is gonna be so good for you that that little difference is not gonna matter, and you're gonna thank me later for getting the longest mileage per charge. And that is it, you guys. If you wanna see a similar video about the Tesla Model X, the Y, or the X, those videos are gonna be in my channel as well, so go ahead and check them out. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you for watching.